Complete internet marketing shocking case studies in 2019 and 2020. Steinway Pianos. Steinway Pianos is an American piano company, popular for manufacturing and selling high-quality, world-class pianos. Objective. The company's objective was to generate more conversions, to attract new customers, and to drive more sales. Strategy. The company ran a series of email marketing campaigns targeted at clients from a list collected from the company's website. Results? The company generated a 40% increase in new users, decreased bounce rates by almost 15%, and increased their conversion rate by a whopping 629%. Wholesale Marine. Wholesale Marine is an online retailer that specializes in quality boating products. Objective. The retailer's objective was to increase organic reach, market share, and revenue. Strategy. The retailer got its website audited, fixed a series of errors that were limiting its organic reach, and optimized all content for search engines. Results? The retailer achieved higher keyword rankings, increased organic reach by 66%, and increased revenue generated by organic traffic by 190%. Light Impressions. Light Impressions is a multi-million-dollar archival supplies retailer. Objective. The retailer's objective was to lower cost per acquisition and improve its organic reach. Strategy. The retailer optimized its website with search engine-friendly content and code, enhanced its call to action and user experience, and implemented on-page search engine elements. Results? The retailer now ranks in the top 10 of Google search results in its niche, even outranking Amazon for product searches. Traffic from non-branded searches increased to 10,000 visitors a month and is converting at 2%. Wiseman Home Outlets. Wiseman Home Outlets is a leading supplier of discounted kitchen cabinets and bathroom finished products. Objective. The supplier's objective was to build an email database and increase return on investment. Strategy. The company added a sign-up form to their website offering free home measuring services and large discounts. Results? The email campaign generated $38,000 in sales during its first month and increased open rates by 15%. Invite Health. Invite Health is a company that sells high-end vitamins and supplements. Objective. The company wanted to transition from being a brick-and-mortar store to developing and growing an online business. Strategy? The company created an e-commerce website where it implemented search engine optimization and content marketing strategies. It also developed an email marketing campaign to generate online leads. Results? The company was able to generate a revenue boost of 46%, a boost in transactions of 47%, and a 58% boost in traffic in its first 2 years. Hobie Polarized. Hobie Polarized is a lifestyle company that sells trendy outdoor eyewear. Objective. The company wanted to enhance its website experience to attract more qualified visitors. Strategy. The company improved on-site search engine optimizations, site navigation, and design. It also implemented email marketing and paid search ads into its marketing plan. Results? The company was able to increase revenue by 244% and to boost average order value. EDP Dental. EDP Dental is the leading dental plan company in the New York City area. Objective. The company wanted to increase website traffic and the amount of conversions on its website. Strategy. The company implemented a number of optimizations on its sites, including new content that incorporated target keywords to boost site ranking, enhanced CTA placement, and social follow buttons. Results? The company was able to attract new customers, increase spending, and generated 495 new leads in the first 6 months. Road Cases USA. Road Cases USA is an American manufacturer of musical instruments, lighting equipment, and travel cases. Objective. The company wanted to increase their overall sales. Strategy. The company optimized their website design and SEO to reach more organic leads, and implemented pay-per-click advertising strategies into its marketing plan. Results? The company was able to increase organic traffic by 14%, its number of orders coming from ads to its website by 26%, and revenue by 25%. Jennings Heating and Cooling. Jennings Heating and Cooling is a company that provides heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services. Objective: the company wanted to increase sales, achieve higher search rankings, and generate more leads from organic traffic. Strategy: the company implemented several search engine optimizations on its website, such as adding buying intent keywords into the website's content. Results: the company was able to increase its number of new and repeat customers, as well as to increase total average website visits by 54%. Forever Lawn. Forever Lawn is a premier artificial and synthetic grass manufacturer. Objective: the company wanted to reach more potential customers and leads on the internet. Strategy: the company started targeting local customers by implementing geo-targeted search engine optimizations on landing pages full of buyer intent keywords. Results: the company was able to grow organic traffic by 25% and to increase conversions from organic search users by 28%.